Here are 5 things you didn't know about Oda Nobunaga's shocking assassination at Honnoji Temple. First, he was betrayed by his most trusted general Akechi Mitsuhide, just months before completing his dream of unifying Japan. Nobunaga controlled nearly the entire country, but his vassal had been secretly planning revenge. Second, he woke up surrounded by enemy soldiers in what should have been a safe temple. The man who was supposed to protect him had turned the sanctuary into a death trap. Third, despite being vastly outnumbered, Nobunaga grabbed a naginata and fought back. He killed several attackers with his own hands, refusing to go down without a fight. Fourth, realizing defeat was inevitable, he chose to commit seppuku rather than be captured. He set the entire temple on fire to prevent his enemies from taking his head as a trophy. Fifth, this single betrayal changed Japanese history forever. His death delayed national unification for 20 more years and kept the country locked in brutal civil war. One act of treachery destroyed decades of progress.